fall over here?
Yeah.
This is the last couple of weeks, right?
This is recent, yeah.
Not days.
Look at that snap over there. Gotcha.
Oh yeah. Somebody fell down heavily on that. Look at that, eh?
Yeah.
That's why they were blocking you. Look at that.
Yeah. That does not snap that easily, and check at that. Look at that whole piece.
Where did it fall from? Huh?
From here. Snapped
No,
off
something
here.
hit that. That one came down. That one toppled over. See how I think the roots have been. Something hit it, right? But it hit it from that angle.
Yeah.
Right, which will be that branch. Are there any marks on that branch?
I think that one's been on the side for a while.
There's no abrasion marks, right?
Yeah, that one's been there a while.
So there are two. So that one is at the top or the bottom?
No, this piece snapped off here and went down.
What about that piece?
That's the side of it.
That's the side of it.
It's split in two like that and peeled off.
That's the branches over there.
Yeah.
I can't see anything that hit it. That one is on top of it.
One big branch, yeah.
So that must have fallen from somewhere up there on top of it.
I don't know.
It's kind of been afterwards.
It's crazy.
That's on top.
This little one got pulled down when something fell on it.
Yeah, this one's also recently down.
Yeah. There's a big branch over there that looks like it came off something.
That's what I'm saying. It's on top of this one.
It must have come off that one up there.
Either that or fell down off the top over there and then caught it somehow. If that one is leaning over. No,
maybe, but I don't. That's very straight. But that's nuts. The amount of force to snap a tree like that.
And then push something. No, that one was pushed over. This one was pushed over, but I can't see anything on top of it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Any abrasion marks on it?
No, nothing I can see. But it may have been sitting this way, and when that one went down, it's pulled that way because of the.
Could have just been.
Looking at the root structure on this one here, it looks like it used to lean that way. Looking down here.
Yeah, you may be right, and it really got pushed to the side, yeah.
Anyway, it's crazy how powerful some of these. It must have been the wind that did it, because here's another piece. Look at this.
It's like an explosion down here when this happened. Eh?
Yeah. Right over the trail. And this is all fresh. I mean, these are still green.
Yeah, this happened I reckon the last couple of weeks. Huh?
Within the last 7 days, in my opinion, or within 2 weeks at least. Another one.
Oh, just everywhere, huh? Like exploded.
Well, check. Look at this. Check.
Yeah. That was an absolute explosion.
Nuts.
Where's the other half of this one?
It just came off. Oh.
What hit it? Only on top of it is that. What the fuck? Hang on. No?
No, I don't know. No idea. But it looks like it exploded.
I wonder if it was struck by lightning or something. There's no burn marks.
No burn marks.
What the fuck hit it?
That's crazy.
That one's been a while. And down hit over here. Something catch it up on the top.
You wouldn't think the wind would get through this. There's another branch down there, big one. More branches down here.
More over here. More over there. Me. Didn't want to be anywhere near the place where this is.
Yeah. When whatever happened, it did a lot of destruction.
There were those people that came down yesterday, right?
Yeah.
And that's where she broke her ankle in serendipity,
Yeah, it happened down. Yeah. Apparently. I don't know how they got down here without abseiling gear.
No, not the ones see.
Oh, the
Another group that we didn't see. There's some
okay.
we didn't see them. I didn't see them. We didn't see them. One group is culminating yesterday. So
Yeah. Well, that's why you don't want to be in a storm, eh? Even if it's just wind.
Just we do that. Even here. This is resting as well.
Yep.
Oh,